Subhanallah. The chirping of the birds and the sound of the water is such a wonderful feeling. Subhanallah. That enhances the music and the effects of music to your ears. On a calm morning when you are with the nature, the feeling is not able to be explained in words because you have to experience it. All you need to do is get some moments from your busy routine, just yourself, and spend some time in the company of nature. And you will feel the effect. You will feel the freshness in your body, in your spirit, in your eyes, and the melody to your ears will be such a wonderful feeling, which is worth millions. Trust me, spend some time, get out, and give some time to the nature, which actually you give time to yourself. Subhanallah, Subhanallah.